Today I'm going to show you how to set up an appointment booking system within High Level and how simple it can be. So let's dive right in. Okay, so here we are inside High Level and we are going to go over to, on the left hand side, just open up the left hand column there. I want you to click on calendars, and this is your calendar view. So we are going to set up a new calendar booking, and the purpose of this is so that your clients and inquiries can all book a time on your calendar, making it really simple for everybody. This does away with having to have extra tools like Acuity or Calendly. You have it all within this one platform. So we're going to click on New over here. So we're going to go to Calendar Settings at the top. What we're going to do is create a new calendar. On the right hand side, click on the New Calendar button, and this is to set up one-to-one personal bookings. Now you can do other options, round robins, collective bookings, booking for a class, an online class for example, but we are going to set up a one-to-one booking in here. So this calendar is going to be called, let's call it Our Inquiries. And it's going to be with myself, and I want to give it a custom URL. I'm just going to call it Inquiry Form. And inquiries are normally less than 30 minutes, so I'll set that up in here. And make sure you've got your time zone is selected as correct. And you can then go in and choose. So maybe I don't want to have calendar bookings on a Friday, and I want to make sure that they don't start before 10 a.m. Now what you can do in here, you'll notice you can accept payments down here. So if you are setting this up for a strategy session, for example, you may be charging like $500 for that. So you can type in your amount here and tell people what it's about and then confirm. But this today, my example is setting up an inquiry. So let's click on that, turn that off, and we click on confirm. That is how quickly and easily you can set this up. All right, so let's go into our calendar in here, edit calendar. All right, so we are now in the editing form of the calendar. It says meeting details, and in here you can add in your calendar logo. So if you look, it says 180 by 180, max size 2.5 megabytes. There we go, that's not too bad. Calendar name, inquiries, and a description. So you maybe want to put a bit of information in here. Okay, so that's us, and then make sure it's all set to me. That's great. And we'll just click on save here. Okay, so my availability is set and unavailable on Fridays. And you can set all of these different options up if you want. 1, 2, 3, max per day. The buffer time, let's say 20 minutes in between and after each call, just if you want to go and get a coffee or something. Obviously you can set this up for your team members, and you can set whatever boundaries you want on this, and you can accept your payments in here as well if you want. So let's see, notifications and additional options. When someone has confirmed that they are booked in, this is where they will get their email. Let's see, click in here. Appointment confirmation. It says, hi, let's put their name in. Put their first name. Hi, first name, your appointment has been scheduled with contact name. Here are the details of your upcoming appointment. And there we go. And then you can test that in here as well. Click save. So now when someone has booked their appointment with you, they will get an automatic email to say that appointment is booked. If you want a reminder before the appointment comes, click into here. Let's say to the contact, when would you like to trigger the notification? I would say 30 minutes before rather than 10 minutes, because it might be a bit tricky. And it says reminder, upcoming appointment at start time. You can pick. Hi, contact name. This is a friendly reminder about your upcoming appointment. Here are the details. Add this to your calendar from Louise at louisebrogan.com. And we're going to click save. Remember to save as you go in here. So click X and then click save. And now we have got our inquiry form all set up for people to make inquiries. Let's just see what it looks like here. Preview widget. So, and you can put anything in here, of course. You can put more information in here. Select your date and time. And let's say they want to do booking in here. Clicking 11:30. Select, so test it out yourself. Run through everything. Put their name and address in. Additional information. Click on that and schedule meeting. So there somebody has the ability to book an appointment on your calendar, and you can start making your inquiries and not have to worry about integrating that with all the other softwares that you use. This is what I love about using High Level. If you want to test this out, we have got a free 30-day trial of High Level, which you should absolutely grab. You can go in, set up your calendar, run the appointment booking system, and before you're looking at all the other features on High Level, highly recommend that you test it out. Any questions, let me know below.